I'm going to share a recipe to make pork and pork. Fry until it browns, adding salt according to the taste, adding coriander powder, turmeric, adding tomato paste. These are 4 medium-sized tomatoes we use here. Now mixing tomato paste with ginger and garlic paste. Inserting paya masala. Now it's time to fry it. These are the beef and mutton burgers. People used to say feet. If you ever take feet of the pot or the turtle of the cow. Yes, very mostly in Pakistani, this is the traditional dish. Beef and mutton daughters. What is nice fragrance and aroma. I can feel it. Now it's time to fry beef daughters. Mutton daughters are traditional dish from South Indian side, and Pakistani mostly love to take morning food. From tomorrow, we will also take a lot of the traditional food at morning. For the breakfast, you can also try it. See goat soup here. After frying, we are gonna put it back in the soup, all the payas, to make it more pressure. See, this is very easy way to make pie. Again putting back in the pressure cooker. And then now we will give the pressure for 1 hour. Then I'll show you. Don't make mummy daddy recipes like other people, Ijaz Ansari and other people used to make, like Baba Food used to make. They're making just frying the masala. I am making the pie in phajjay style. Phajjay people also have to make like that. And what the other people are doing, they are just making the masala and putting the raw pie in the pressure cooker, firstly making the masala. What you have to do, you have to make soup separately, and now see consistency of pie gravy. I'm giving the pressure cooker for 1.